drip, drip. To let fall in drops, a brush dripping paint. The paint is dripping on the wall. The paint is dripping on the wall. Mumble, mumble. To speak quietly and unclearly. He was mumbling something at the meeting, but I didn't understand. He was mumbling something at the meeting, but I didn't understand. Huff, huff. A sound of heavy breathing. I huffed in the morning after jogging. I huffed in the morning after jogging. Honk, honk. To make a loud sound, usually with a car horn or by geese. The driver is honking in the traffic jam. The driver is honking in the traffic jam. Gulp, gulp. To swallow food or drink quickly or in large amounts. She finished cold drink in one gulp. She finished cold drink in one gulp. Whistle, whistle. To make a high-pitched sound with your mouth. He can whistle very well. He can whistle very well. Ball, ball. To cry loudly or to shout in loud voice. He is bawling to drink milk. He is bawling to drink milk. Splash, splash. To make water or liquid move and scatter. The boy is playing to splash in the water. The boy is playing to splash in the water. Stomp, stomp. To step heavily or forcefully, often to show anger, frustration, or excitement. I am stomping my wallet in anger. I am stomping my wallet in anger. Bark, bark. To make the short loud cry of a dog or a similar noise. Our dog was barking at night. Our dog was barking at night. whack, whack. To hit something or someone with force. She whacked a mole with a stick. She whacked a mole with a stick. Growl, growl. A low, rough, and angry sound, often made by an animal like a dog or a person. The street dog is growling at me. The street dog is growling at me. Hoot, hoot. To make a loud sound, like an owl or a car horn. They heard the long hoot of an ambulance. They heard the long hoot of an ambulance. Slurp, slurp. To drink or eat something with a loud sucking noise. Don't slurp your noodles. Don't slurp your noodles. Howl, howl. To make a long, loud, crying sound like a wolf or a dog. The dog is howling at the moon. The dog is howling at the moon. Splash, splash. The sound or mark of liquid falling or spreading. I heard a splash in the pool. I heard a splash in the pool. Pop, pop. To make a sudden, sharp sound or to burst. The baby wants to pop the balloon. The baby wants to pop the balloon.